Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set, a true masterpiece where form meets function. This premium cookware set boasts a forged construction, making it both strong and lightweight, perfect for any cooking skill level. The eco-friendly Gen10 Duralon Blue ceramic coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA, ensuring a healthy cooking experience without toxic emissions, even at high temperatures. With a hardness rating of 9H, just a notch below diamond, this cookware is incredibly resistant to abrasion, corrosion, and acid, maintaining its non-stick properties and vibrant appearance over time. Thanks to its induction-ready design, each piece is bonded with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom, ensuring fast, even heat distribution and superior heat retention. The Gen10 Duralon Blue coating has been perfected over a decade to heat quickly and evenly, releasing food effortlessly while being extraordinarily durable. Complete with tempered glass lids and stay-cool handles, this cookware set is dishwasher and oven safe, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.